We have to compare the acidity of carboxylic acid, water, alcohol, and ethyne and choose the correct order. Let us solve step by step. A smaller pKa means the acid gives hydrogen ion more easily, so it is a stronger acid. Carboxylic acid forms a carboxylate ion. This conjugate base is resonance stabilized, so carboxylic acid is the strongest in the list. Water is slightly more acidic than alcohol. In alcohol, the alkyl group donates electron density and makes loss of hydrogen ion a little less favorable. Ethyne has a much larger pKa than alcohol, so ethyne is a much weaker acid. Therefore, alcohol comes before ethyne. Putting all comparisons together, the decreasing order is carboxylic acid, then water, then alcohol, then ethyne. So the correct answer is option B. For more clear exam solutions, keep learning with Acharya.